in the cabin today. As you can see, I've got everything behind me here. And I am Laura. I am a Canva creator and I love to create in Canva. So that's what this whole channel is all about. Lots of different tutorials that you can use within your business, within your photos, within whatever it is you want to do. You can do it in Canva. So I'm here to help you learn Canva, utilize it for your business and get it working for you. But today I want to show you a Canva app that's been integrated and it's in beta mode. So you may or may not have it, but it's a nice little app that can just help you touch up your images. Now, images are getting bigger and bigger in Canva. There is more and more different features coming along into Canva to help you edit your images. So I'm going to show you one today to help you retouch or just touch up faces, just to make them smoother, get rid of the red eye, that kind of thing. You can do this in Canva. So I'm going to go over to my screen. And I've got open just a blank Facebook template. So I've just gone for a Facebook template and I'm going to pop a photo in. You can obviously put your own photo in. You can choose a photo of yourself if you want to, but I'm just going to choose this guy here. So I've got a photo of him. Let's make him nice and big so we can see him better. So I've just added a photo into my template and I'm thinking, I want to use this photo, but it's a little bit yellowy. I wouldn't mind just changing the whiteness on his teeth. So I'm going to go to edit image and you can either type in here face retouch. So it will search for the app, but as I've been using it, it's already come up. So search face retouch, or it will be in here somewhere. You can have a scroll along and all of your recently used apps will be in here. So clicking on face retouch and it will automatically touch up the face for me. So it's already done it here because it's auto. So I can show the original and then that's my touch up. The original is slightly darker, touch up, the teeth are slightly whiter. I can change the intensity if I want. So I could go real, actually that doesn't look too bad. I quite like that. Show original, show touch up, original touch up. It's even darkened the eyes so the photo looks so much nicer. Original, the forehead has been edited as well. If you look, it's nice and smoother. So it's smoothed the skin, it's whitened the teeth and it's darkened the eyes. So it's removed any red eye or any issues there. And it just looks so much nicer. But obviously you can click on smooth skin, whitened teeth or red eye if you want to specifically edit with those three settings. I find auto is just great because it does it all for you and you end up with a really lovely photo. Nice clear skin, nice white teeth, no red eye. And it's as simple as that. If I hit apply, it has then added that to my image and I can then use this within one of my designs, knowing I've got this really nice image here. So that's it really. That is all I wanted to go through with you today. So what did you think? Would you use face retouch? I quite like it. I think we all are all beautiful, but sometimes we do need a little bit of retouching, especially if we're using an image in one of our designs. We want it to look perfect. So if we can just touch the face up a little bit, smooth out the skin, get rid of red eye. Red eye obviously is a big issue in photos with reflections. So if we can get rid of red eye, touch up the skin and whiten out the teeth, that is going to be really good and it's going to make our graphics a lot better. So there we go. That's it for today. Have a check out of the rest of the videos. I have lots and lots of trainings and tutorials in here, all based on Canva, and I have got lots coming. There are generally weekly ones added, so keep an eye on the channel.